Hi everyone, I'm coming to you today again with great news. I'm so excited that recently I've been able to provide updates that are great news. I love being able to do that. And so before we dive into exactly what the great news is as it relates to public charge, I would like to introduce myself and our firm for those of you who are new here. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Corrado Pastrana, the immigration firm for couples. And we regularly post updates on our YouTube channel and in our Facebook group. We know how important it is for you to have up-to-date information as you navigate through your immigration journey. So if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so now. And also, if you could give this video a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it, so YouTube will share it with others who can benefit from the information. All right, so what is going on? What is this great news as it relates to public charge? Today, just today, and I wanted to jump on and make this video. Took a break, a few minutes from casework to be able to share this great news with you. And basically what happened is that the Biden administration withdrew the appeal that was pending in the Supreme Court for public charge that had been filed by immigration, that had been filed by the government. And so for those of you who have been going through an immigration process for a while now, you know about public charge and the roller coaster that is public charge and the changes that came along with it last year. But for those of you who are new to your immigration journey, or if you're not quite familiar, I'd like to kind of go over a little bit of a background of exactly what is public charge, what happened over the past year, why does this decision, why is this good news, and how it impacts you. So stay tuned, I'll be going over all of that information. So basically, public charge is an area of immigration law that's existed for a long time. Essentially, it's the area of immigration law that says an immigrant can't be a public charge, that they have to be self-sufficient. And so like I said, that's been around for a long time, and we've always filed a Form I-864 affidavit of support to prove that the immigrant, the petitioner, that they would be self-sufficient and that they would not become a public charge. What happened though on February 24th of 2020 was changes were implemented to public charge to introduce a whole new form, Form I-944, a very long form that was very invasive and also has been referred to by many as an invisible wall and a wealth test that had been implemented in the immigration process. And so like I said, it's a very long form. It was asking for bank account information and credit score and debts and assets and so many things that were beyond what public charge has been for so long. And so what had happened then after February 24th of 2020 is there was quite a roller coaster of appeals. And for those of you, like I said, who have been through your immigration journey or have been going through an immigration journey, you know, it was quite a roller coaster of public charge. Was the Form I-944 was required, and then it wasn't, and then it was, and then it wasn't. So just to kind of summarize, basically that change occurred in February of 2020. We saw it briefly. We had a brief reprieve there in July, and we were excited, and we thought the I-944 would be removed for a while. Then the government appealed, and like I keep saying, it was a roller coaster. What the Biden administration has done is there was an appeal before the Supreme Court about public charge. Basically that appeal had allowed that Form I-944 to stay in existence, and the Biden administration withdrew that appeal. They did that today. And also we're seeing that the government is wanting to withdraw the appeals that are pending in the other circuit courts. And why this is good news is if it continues on this path, that public charge, this I-944 and these changes to public charge will hopefully be disappearing. And so we have to wait for immigration, for USCIS to provide an announcement and guidance about this decision today to withdraw this appeal. But the good news that we want to share with all of you is that we're hoping very soon that we will see USCIS make an announcement, that guidance will come out, and that we can say goodbye to Form I-944. We will all be so very happy about that. But please stay tuned. We will definitely be providing updates as we know more information, so you know exactly what's going on. And and how that would impact your case. We need to wait again for that guidance. So if you're in the process of filing your application, or if you have an RFE, a request for evidence for that form, you will hopefully, like I said, will hopefully be receiving guidance soon from USCIS to know whether or not that form, if we can say goodbye to it. So hopefully that was helpful, and that information provided you with some good news for your day. And so yeah, we'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.